Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can add a link into your TikTok bio. So go to your profile page, which is on the bottom right over here. Then you are going to select edit profile here. Once you are done with that, you are going to scroll down and go to website. Select add your website here. Go to like a Safari page and type in what you want. For instance, you want to put this on your bio. So you are going to open up a website. I'm just going to do one from Genius. Select this, select it again, and then select the copy button. Once you're done, go to TikTok again and press paste. Oops, sorry. Then you are going to press save. After that, you are going to see there's socials under like other under like your bio and your website. You can add in more like websites from like your socials. There's Lemon8, Instagram, YouTube, and Twitter, and that's all of the social media that you can link with TikTok. So you're just going to select one, and it's going to basically bring you to a website. I know my Instagram's not really working right now, but you're just going to log in with Instagram, log in with, oh, it works now, okay, sorry. Log in with Instagram, log in with Twitter, Lemon8, and YouTube. And that is it. That's how you can add like your links and stuff like that. I like to use Carrd.io to like put a lot of like my social medias there, or you can like even use Linktree to put it on your bio. And that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. Also, you can link your TikTok account on like other social medias, and even on the Linktree page itself and on the Carrd.io page itself. So whenever someone clicks that link, they'll have like your specs, your bio, and other social media. And that is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.